The Tyre Sensors Not Detected. Check Handbook error on Ford Kuga models from 2013 to 2023 usually means the car's tire pressure monitoring system isn't reading the tire pressure sensors. This is often due to dead sensor batteries that last about 5 to 7 years, signal interference, or the sensors simply needing to be relearned by the system after a tire change or rotation. First, check that all tires are properly inflated as specified in your handbook. Newer models might allow TPMS resets via the Ford Pass app or through dealership diagnostics with over-the-air updates. For older models, the most common fix involves performing a TPMS Relearn. This can sometimes be done by driving at 16 to 31 miles per hour for 10-20 minutes after cycling the ignition. If driving doesn't solve the issue, you may need a TPMS Relearn tool, available for $50 to $200. These tools activate the sensors and force the car to recognize them. The process typically involves using the tool to wake up each sensor individually, following the tool's instructions. If the error persists after a relearn, consider sensor damage, especially corrosion in coastal areas due to salt exposure. Faulty wiring can also cause the error, disrupting communication between sensors and the vehicle's control unit. Other possibilities include interference from aftermarket wheels or faulty wiring. In such cases, OBD2 scanners can help diagnose individual sensor status. As a last resort, a mechanic can diagnose and replace faulty sensors or modules. Remember, regular tire maintenance helps reduce TPMS errors.